All right, welcome to episode 6 of WSD In The Loop. Today we're hosted by North Central Technical College, so we're pretty fortunate about that. We'll take a little tour as we do this conversation today, and we hope to
get you everything you need to know in 2 minutes or less.
All right, let's go!
Alright, so we're going to try kind of a new strategy for this video. Instead of giving you a tip, we've got a new game called Overrated, Underrated, or Appropriately Rated. So Reggie and I are going to swap topics, and we have to decide in the moment, is this idea overrated, underrated, or appropriately rated? And then kind of give a little reasoning behind why that's our opinion. So my example for you is holiday flavored Oreos. Are they overrated, underrated, or appropriately rated?
So my response to holiday flavored Oreos would be overrated. And because I think when you look at the Oreo and the purpose of the Oreo, that 2 chocolate sandwich cookies and the white cream frosting, that's the original, that's where it's supposed to be. You're not supposed to be messing with the Oreo.
All right, so that's the gist of what we're trying to do here with our new strategy for getting technology information to you. Let's get ahead and go right to the tech topics.
Okay, organized Google Drive files, probably in a folder structure. I'm going to say that that concept is overrated. And the reason that I'm going to say it's overrated is because of the idea that you can search for anything in your Google Drive. You can search by who it's from, who it's by what type, by what's in the document, everything. So the ability to use Google and what they do best by organizing the world's information and searching, I would say that that is overrated.
Okay, gamification in the classroom. Honestly, I gotta say it's a little overrated. I find that there's probably very specific uses for it with specific students in certain situations, like very skill-based things. But in general, in a classroom, I think it's a little overrated. It's very targeted, it's very reward-based, so students are looking more for getting things done in a checklist versus kind of that intrinsic motivation and why they're learning these skills, besides the need to kind of check the boxes, earn the points, and continue. So I'm going to say that one's overrated.
I'm going to say that that topic is underrated. I'm going to say that the idea of streaming content to your classroom at any given time, whenever you need it, whenever you want it, whenever a student needs it, is hugely underutilized, and I think that this is going to be the wave of the future, being able to stream and get content whenever and wherever you need it.
Wireless connectivity. I think that's going to be an underrated for me. I feel like wireless connectivity is going to have to be increased, like public utility level, where it's just always something there wherever you go, in your house, in a business, on the road. It's going to have to turn into something like that. They're dabbling in it, but it's not really universal yet, so I'm going to go with underrated on this one, something that has to happen.
All right, so what we'd like to do is have you send us topics, and what we'll do is we'll pick at random and we'll do an overrated, underrated, or appropriately rated on the topics that you send us. All right, thanks for watching episode 6 of WSD In The Loop. We'll be back in about 2 weeks, and hopefully you got something out of the episode and enjoyed what we did. All right, we'll see ya.